Hello everybody, this is Eddie with Mobile Homestead Solar Services and Mobile Homesteading. And we are in beautiful Hyco, Texas. Been here for a couple of weeks helping out our friend Kim. This is her little ranch she has, 10-acre. Helped her do some fencing, ran some water lines. She has a beautiful, huge barn here. Used to be a riding a roping arena. But that's not what we're here for on this video. I wanted to make a big announcement. We're getting ready to change out the battery bank on the Mobile Homestead. I'll show you some pictures of the original and then wanted to explain to you what we're putting in here. When we get to Arizona, we have a bank of Crown flooded lead acid L16 batteries. Now, why would I want to put lead acid batteries in this outfit? Well, let me explain something to you. That's what we're running right now, and it works really well. It worked in our other camper, and it works in the Mobile Homestead. The other thing is, I'm going to try as hard as I can now to buy all of my supplies and stuff of that nature US made. Now, there's a lot of batteries that are lithium batteries that are actually made in the USA, but they're made with Chinese cells and cells made from other countries. I'm not putting those batteries down. There's a personal reason. I think I need to back more US made products, and that's one of the things I'm going to do. Crown is in Fremont, Ohio, 100% American made, 100% American product. Really good battery. And next couple of videos I'm going to show you when I get them. Going to do a test on them. We're going to install them. I'll show the installation, and I'm going to give you periodically, you know, every once a month and every couple of months, how good those batteries are doing us. Even though it's a conventional battery, they are actually one of the best in the market. It's a private owned company. It's not a corporation company. So I'm big on private companies. It's what made our country in the first place. And the other thing is, we've got to start backing things that are decent for the environment. One of the great things about recycling, the lead acid batteries got, one of the best records for recycling. What is it? Right around 98% of a lead acid battery, if it's not, in real bad condition, can be recycled. You can't say that about any of the other batteries on the market. So this is just a teaser video to get you guys started up. You can leave your comments down the bottom. Keep it civil. I know everybody's going lithium. I install lithium, and I'm not telling people not to go that way, but I've got several reasons for going this way, and if you want to follow along, that's good. Everybody, this is Eddie with Mobile Homestead Solar Services and Mobile Homesteading. I just want to say God bless and happy trails.